I will visit my grandparents next week. Hello viewers, how are you? Welcome to the English Quizly channel, your go-to destination for exciting English grammar quizzes. Today we are going to see how good is your English grammar. Answer these fun questions to find out. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to play more fun quizzes. Alright, let's play the quiz. The train will arrive at 10:30 am. She will finish her homework by dinner time. We will have a party on Saturday night. He will marry her next year. What will you do tomorrow? When will the train arrive? Will she finish her homework by dinner time? Are we going to have a party on Saturday night? What will you be doing tomorrow at 10 am? When will she have finished her studies? Will he be traveling to Europe next month? Are we going to have been living in this house for the next 10 years? Will they have graduated from college by next summer? What will happen if you don't study hard? When will the world be free of poverty and hunger? Will artificial intelligence surpass human intelligence in the future? Are we going to live on Mars in the next 100 years? Will humans ever travel to other galaxies? What will you be like in 10 years? When will we be able to cure all diseases? Will there be peace in the world in the next 100 years? Are we going to solve this climate crisis in the next 20 years? Will humans ever be immortal? What will the world be like in 500 years? When will be able to travel to other stars and planets? Will there be a cure for cancer in the next 10 years? Are we going to solve the problem of world hunger in the next 20 years? Will humans ever be able to live forever? What will you be doing on your birthday next year? When will the new school building be finished? Will the weather be nice this weekend? Are we going to have a lot of homework next week? Will you be able to come to my party on Saturday? What will you do after you graduate from school? When will the new technology available to the public? Will the world be a better place in 100 years? Are we going to find a cure for all diseases in the next 20 years? Will humans ever colonize other planets? What will you be doing for the holidays this year? When will the construction on the new highway be finished? Will the price of gas go down in the next few months? Are we going to have a lot of snow this winter? Will you be able to help me with my homework tonight? What will you be studying in college next year? When will the new iPhone be released? Will the weather be sunny on my wedding day? Are we going to have a child in the next 5 years? Will humans ever be able to communicate with animals? I will be working on my project tomorrow. She will have finished her studies by next year. He will be traveling to Europe next month. We will have been living in this house for 10 years next year. They will have graduated from college next year. I will be meeting you at the library tomorrow at 10 am. I will go to the beach tomorrow if it's sunny. She will not have time to help you. We will meet you at the airport. They will not come to the party. He will give a presentation tomorrow. I will have finished my homework by dinner time. She will have been living in London for 5 years by next year. He will have finished his project by the end of the week. We will have been studying English for 2 years by the end of the year. They will have graduated from college by next summer. I will have been working at this company for 10 years next year. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like it, share it, and post your marks in the comment section. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any new video.